How to reset VPN on iPhone. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so let's get started with the video. Start by moving into the settings of a device. Once you're inside the settings, head over to General. Scroll down and move into Transfer or Reset iPhone. Click on Reset and then tap on Reset Network Settings. Enter the passcode of a device and then once again tap on Reset Network Settings. Once the network has been reset, it will also reset the VPN that you have been using on a device. If not, the next thing you want to do is go back and then head over to VPN and Device Management. Move into VPN at the very top. Simply turn off the VPN that you have been using or move into the VPN that you are connected to and then click on Delete VPN. Once again tap on Delete. Once you have deleted, it will reset the VPN that you have been using and then you will be good to go. So that's a wrap for this video. If this video helped you out, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.